have this gallery canvas. It's a 12 by 12, and I have these beautiful colors, all blue. I've got phthalo blue, and phthalo blue is by Master's Touch, and I have this indigo, and I made it from Brilliant Blue by Artist Loft mixed with a little black. It makes a beautiful indigo color. And then I have Cobalt Blue, and then I have a black that I'm going to add to the canvas. And of course I've got some satin enamels, well, Vallejo Pearl Medium and Floetrol, and a teensy bit of satin enamel. I'm going to start with a little bit of this white pillow, put that on the bottom. I think I see a little clump here. I do need to get out. Yep. Oh, and I have Unicorn. I'm going to put this at the bottom of the cup so it comes out last. And it's by this little piggy. It's a color changing pigment. And I'm going to start with putting some of this Unicorn at the bottom so it comes out last. I'm going to put a little bit of this Cobalt Blue in. Cobalt. This is Cobalt. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the phthalo blue. And then some of the darker blue. And then I want to put a little black in, just to give it some depth. And I'm going to put some of this phthalo blue next. Then I'm going to put a little bit of the cloud mixture, get some clouds. And then I'm going to put some of the Cobalt Blue in. And just layer the cup again. Put darker on top of the lighter. And this is the indigo right here. And I'll put a little bit of the black. All right, I think that's enough to cover the cup. So I'm going to start pouring. Oh, these blues are so beautiful. And fix the middle. There. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna move it around a little bit, let it make some sails if it's gonna Ooh, that's so. And always make sure you go back to the center when you're moving the canvas around. And go slow. Gotta kind of go slow with these cloud pours. And sometimes when you move it around like this, it will create more of the sails, which is always what I want, not just everybody likes sails, right? Okay, I don't want it rolling over itself. So, and what I'm going to have to do is add a little bit of more pillow paint to it. But I think I'm going to torch it one more time first. So I see a lot of bubbles. I don't know if they're being popped with the heat gun though. But yeah, I'm going to have to add something to the edges so it doesn't roll over itself. But not a lot, just a little bit. Maybe a little bit more over here. Wow, it's so pretty. All right, so I'm gonna spin it. I just don't want it to, any of the paint to fly into any of these colors, so I'm gonna move them. And we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna torch it one more time first, and then I'm gonna spin it. Uh-oh, it's coming off. Get my raggy. I thought maybe it wasn't gonna go over, but I guess it will if it wants to. All right, and it's very pretty. Wow, that is very pretty. Okay, so I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Kind of wanted more of the middle to expand a little bit, so I'm moving it a little bit now. There we go. And I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, this is what I would consider the bottom right here. But some people have different preferences. And this is the unicorn up in here. And it goes up there and down on this side a little bit too. And it's very sparkly. You can see how sparkly the unicorn is. It's very, very sparkly. And those sparkles just go all the way throughout. I do like the way the cobalt blue looks. And how it spreads out throughout the whole canvas. It's really, really pretty. It actually goes really well with these other colors. Look at those. There's the middle.